Many people missed out on the rapid growth of the internet in the 1990s because words like modem, router, and web browser seemed too intimidating to invest in. Today, 99.5% of the population is paying to use these technologies. Still, less than 1% of the population is getting paid for them. What if there was a way to be part of the next big wave in technology? A wave expected to dwarf what happened in the 1990s. Would you want to hear about it? We created a new digital platform that merges e-commerce with the same technology that powers cryptocurrency. And that technology is called the blockchain. Simply put, blockchain technology provides more opportunities for both buyers and sellers within a secure environment. What if you could make more money selling on this platform versus traditional e-commerce websites and get paid for making purchases on this platform? Entrepreneurs are leveraging the power of this new e-commerce platform today, right now. This digital platform gives them access to the cutting-edge technologies to reach customers in a way that has never been done before. The magic is using our big data approach to identify the perfect ideal customer and drive them directly to your website. What if you could have thousands of these perfect ideal potential customers come to your site every day utilizing our platform? Imagine what that would do for your online sales. It's more important than ever before to position yourself to always remain on the cutting edge of technology, and now we provide it for you. If you already have a product, great! We will help you get your sales efforts up and running. If you're looking for a product to sell, great! We can connect with thousands of product owners that would love to work with you. Learn how to join one of our marketplaces on our blockchain ecosystem today by clicking on the link below.